Porter lifts a luggage of 15 kg from the ground and puts it on his head 1.5 meter above the ground. Calculate the work done by him on the luggage. So it's a simple question, but there is a tricky part. So if you understand that, the question is very simple. Okay, let me put it in the form of a diagram. You have a box that has to be lifted to a point. Okay, so from here to here, to this 2 points, we have 1.5 meter and this of mass 15 kg. Okay, then we have the displacement given by 1.5 meter, which is nothing but 15 by 10 meter, and the mass is given to be 15 kg, right? This is all the things that is given. Now, to begin with the working, what do we need? We need the formula first thing. So what is work equal to? This you guys already know. Work equal to force into displacement. Okay. So we have the displacement, but we don't have the force. How will we figure out the force? Let me help you guys with the clue. If you're able to figure this out, the question is done. The free body diagram of the luggage during the lift, right? When the person is lifting, that's when we have to figure out what are the forces acting on it. So we have the object, right? What is the basic force? The very first force would be that we can figure out is the weight of the object, is it not? Given by Fg, which is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. So this is 15 into 10, so 150 Newton. Now, if a person has to lift, at least how much force should he apply? He or she should apply. Yes, at least this amount of force. Okay guys, that's all you need to understand. For the person to lift, at least this amount of force has to be applied. Initially, during the lift, it has to be a bit more, and during its movement up, at least this should be the force that is required. Okay. So now, let me write a statement. The force required to lift the luggage or object is equal to its weight, which is equal to 150 Newton. Right guys, so this is the important thing. If you're able to understand this and remember this, any such question you will be able to do. Okay, and now you can write W is equal to 150 Newton into 15 by 10. So this would be 15 into 15, is it not? So we have 150 divided by 10. So 15 into 15 is 225 joule. Okay. And yes, we need to write the work done by him on the luggage is 225 joule. The work done by him on the luggage is 225 joule. Okay, this will carry half a mark, so we need to end up with such answers. So here again, please understand that the force that we require to lift something is equal to the mass of the object, weight of the object. We have to know this. We need to understand this. If not, you won't be able to figure out this answer. Right? So you can pause and have a look at this answer.